Hello everyone and welcome back to UK Survival. Today I'm going to do a little bit of a pocket dump for you for what I carry on a normal camping trip with the family. So currently what I'm wearing, I just wear a cotton t-shirt, I wear a lightweight sort of walking shirt, or I wear a fleece depending on whether it's warm or hot or cold, and then I've just got my normal pair of walking trousers and shoes. So I don't buy anything major special because it's not, you don't need this sort of stuff in this sort of country adjacent sort of thing. The trousers from Go Outdoors, the boots, the shoes from Sports Direct, they carry more sort of shoes. This is from Go Outdoors, the shirt. I don't spend too much. You don't need to spend a lot of money for this sort of stuff. So I'm going to turn around, I'm going to turn some of my pockets out now just to show you what sort of things I carry when I'm out walking with the kids in the woods or just visiting places as I'm going around. So I'm going to use my table and we're going to show you. Choose a windy noise. Okay, so the first thing and what I carry, I've got my car keys. Yeah, so on my car keys, a bit of cordage, a hair, the car keys itself. We have a nice pen. This is a handmade pen by a guy in Norfolk, a nice sort of black pen. We've got my pocket true utility knife, which has got a knife, a bottle opener and a can opener and a pair of scissors and a little file that detaches itself. And look at the Tesco Club card and also a trolley fob. So there's nothing really special in the car keys. I really need to think of an organiser on there. So that's my first thing. The second thing which I'm carrying on me all the time when I go out is the mobile phone with its military grade in the sort of UAG case, and beside that it's just, well, if there's anything I need to speak to or thing, it's got my normal S8 phone with the Gryffindor logo. Yeah, so that's on there, lots of messages. The next thing I have inside my pockets, just trying to think through my pockets now, in my back pocket we've got my lovely Gryffindor wallet, and inside the wallet it just holds all the basic cards. It's also got my blocking card to stop any sort of things on here. It's got all my instructor qualifications for the scouts, the archery, the scouts permits, D&V cards, IKEA cards, and then the basic Nectar points and Tesco Club cards. That's inside that bit. We've also got inside here, which I've showed you all before, I still carry it around. Oh, can't get it out now. Oh, that's where that went. McDonald's coffee card. Railway cards, army discount cards. And there we go. We've got a knife, so it's a fold-up knife. On here I've got my Wise Army discount card inside there as well. In the back of it we've also got another little gadget. We've got my Millennium Falcon bottle opener, little measure. I actually used that not long ago to measure something at a 3cm blade there, and a little screwdriver, which is always really handy. I do believe that is everything of any use inside of the wallet with a change sort of section. Okay, so the last thing I carry with me is just my little multi-tool. So that's on my belt, which is just a little pouch, and inside there we've got a knife, and we've also got a lighter. I don't smoke, but I just always carry the lighter around just in case of emergencies. I can actually make some sort of fire. And then inside here I've got my multi-tool with knives, saws, tin openers, pliers, scissors, files. I used a file to sharpen my knife a couple of days ago. It's slightly blunt, so I just give it a little tweak with that on there. And I finish off with a leather belt, a sort of Scout branded leather belt, which I carry. My camcorder, when I'm carrying around, I've got a little pouch the wife made for me, nice sort of padded pouch, Star Wars, I like Star Wars, and that is over there. So that is all of the stuff which I carry for me for an everyday carry when I'm out camping, or generally what I carry around the streets anyway. Okay, I hope you like that little segment when I carry around here. So that is for this sort of video. If you like this sort of thing, put down like, subscribe. And what would you carry when you're camping? If I'm carrying water bottles and that along with me, I might just carry another little pouch sort of with it. But generally just walking around normally, I've got the change and that sort of there. But that's it. Just remember, it's better to be one with the wilderness than to fight and struggle. Until the next video, see you then. Bye for now.